Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomwife.com. Lately, I've been getting a lot of emails from those of you that are teachers out there. Maybe you are looking to pick up some extra work with summer upon us, or maybe this is your last year teaching and you're going to be looking for some opportunities to make some extra cash in retirement. This video is for you. We're going to be talking about some great opportunities for teachers and even retired teachers to earn some extra money from home. Make sure you stay to the end of the video to find out how you can get my 7-day series on finding work at home free. Now, turning to online work at home opportunities to supplement or even replace your teaching income is something that a lot of teachers are doing today. Whether you are facing a long summer break, retirement, or even if you're looking for a career or lifestyle change. Thankfully, there are a lot of great opportunities out there for teachers and former teachers to make money online while putting their teaching expertise to good use. Now, one of the first opportunities I wanted to talk to you about today is going to be teaching English as a second language. This is really a booming industry that we're seeing online the last couple of years, and it's really offering a great opportunity for a flexible schedule and some great pay in some cases. Now, in many cases, these sites are going to be providing you with the curriculum that you need in order to teach your students, and in many cases, your students are going to be in other countries. Usually, we are talking about China, Japan, South Korea, and because those countries are kind of on the other side of the world from us, those students are needing their tutoring in their evenings. And that's early in the morning for us here in the U.S. In many cases, we're going to be talking about 4 to 7 a.m. Eastern Time. It's going to be the largest demand for those English as a second language tutors. Now, when we get into this industry, there are a lot of great websites that you can check out here. VIP Kid is one, QKids is another. There's also a site called Cambly. I'll leave you a link in the description below to a big list of these opportunities, but they're really plentiful. And in many cases, you don't even need to have a teaching certificate or a teaching degree. They simply want a bachelor's degree or even for you to be enrolled in an online university, in a university or college. So this is definitely something you can take advantage of, even if you're wanting to hang up your teaching credentials. Now, there are a lot of sites here in the U.S. that also focus on your standard tutoring in things like science and math and those subjects that we are focused on here in the U.S. And in many cases, those sites are going to want someone with a teaching certificate, with an active certificate. So that is something to keep in mind. In some cases, they are going to be state specific as well. So you will want to check out the job listings, individually and check out what the requirements are. And if you are dealing with the US site, this is going to be an opportunity for maybe you to work in our evenings if that's something that you're looking for. If you do have a day job, or maybe you are taking care of children during the day, this will be an opportunity for you to work in the evenings. Now, we do have some seasonal positions when we get into the online teaching world. Test prep and test scoring are two that we see quite frequently in the spring and the fall. Those may not be opportunities that are available right now since we are just getting ready to head into the summer season, but it is something that you can keep an eye open for. A couple of them that we do see quite frequently would be Kaplan, Pearson, Measurement Inc. Those are all sites that do have frequent openings available in those test prep and test scoring fields. Now, we do see quite a few sites that hire teachers as freelance writers. This can be another opportunity to take advantage of those little blocks of time that you find yourself available with during the day, as many freelance writing jobs are really flexible as far as the scheduling is concerned. As long as you can get your projects done by the deadline, they don't so much care about what time you're doing them or even where you're doing them, if some of you out there are traveling this summer. A couple of the sites that we often see in the writing industry looking for teachers are Magoosh. There is a site called eNotes, ETS, and Measured Progress. Now, a lot of these sites, what they are looking for are teachers to create test prep materials, study lessons, study guides, things of that nature that you can put your expertise in certain subjects to good use while you're helping out other teachers and other students to kind of hone their skills as well. Now, Teachers Pay Teachers is a really popular site among teachers. On this site, it's going to be an online marketplace. It's going to have an enormous collection of free and paid resources available for teachers to purchase, and in many cases, they are created by other teachers. We may be talking about study guides or lesson plans, and this could be an opportunity for you to earn some passive income. Maybe you put your wares for sale up on this site and they just kind of make sales as you go on about your business. So it can be a great opportunity to get some extra cash rolling in without a lot of ongoing work. Now, Teachers Pay Teachers probably isn't going to replace your teaching salary, but it can be a good way to make some extra cash on some work that you've already done. Now, those are just a few great opportunities for teachers to make some extra cash from home. I'll leave you a link to a post in the description below for you to learn more about these opportunities, in addition to some others. And while you're over there, make sure you get signed up for that free 7-day series on finding work from home as well. Now, if you liked today's video, please give it a like and a share, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you'll get notification of the next video. Until then, I wish you best of luck in your work at home job search.